up, YouTube? Ed the Enthusiast back with another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Check out all my videos. Now, today's video, we are going to get into what I just received in the mail. Over here on the right side, I have some Engine hydro shields, which protects the filters on my engine intakes. They're in black, so I got two of those. Then over here on the left side, I have a oil catch can, which actually is a zero maintenance catch can. So most people, they have the catch cans with the two cans, and like every 2,000 miles or so, they'll screw off the cap and you'll look and it have oil in there, and they have to keep doing it over and over again. But with this, you don't have to do that. You'll never have to check it. What this does is all the oil that usually goes into the intake manifold, well, it won't go in there due to this. It'll just push all the oil back where it actually supposed to go. It won't get into your oil, into the intake manifold. So yeah, I decided to get this one. I know most people get the other one, the one with the dual catch cans, the actual catch cans, so they can actually see what the oil is actually going into the catch can. But I decided to go with this one so I don't have to ever mess with it. So this is the tubing that goes on the side where the intake manifold is. So it'll connect on this side up here, and then the other tube will connect on the other end, which is already on the car. It's already in the engine bay. I just reused that tube and connected on this end, and put this one on top and connect it to the intake manifold, and that's it. All right, guys, I'm about to install these hydro shields real quick. It'll be real quick, and then after that I'll install the catch can. So just installed the hydro shields over the filters. They look pretty good. Now they will protect my filters from dust and everything like that. So yeah, it's good over time to have these. Now it's time for me to install the oil catch can. So now it's time to install the oil catch can. This is the intake manifold. Now I'll be taking this, removing it off of this, and I will then take the catch can. This end will connect to this hose, and that hose will then connect to this, and then the back end right here will connect to this hose right here, and then after that it'll be complete. Install is now complete. I have the hose going into the intake manifold, and then there's the catch can, and then the other end is connected, and that's all it takes. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a little quick video of the filter covers and as well as the oil catch can. But y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all next video.